Do you want nice clean cuts? No more messy ends? Hello, Electro Jeweler Jordan here, and today I'm going to show you how to use a mini tubing cutter. First, determine where you want the tubing to be cut, then line up the cutter with that area. Insert the pipe into the open tubing cutter. Tighten until you feel a little bit of pressure, and then proceed to twist the pipe. When you no longer feel resistance, you're going to tighten the tubing cutter. You may have to do this a few times until you cut through the pipe. Now you have a nice clean cut and exactly the length that you need. Good for cutting rigid copper tubing and flexible copper tubing, not good for hobby tubing. To cut small precise size pieces, measure carefully, insert the pipe into the tubing cutter, and tighten. And twist the pipe. Pay careful attention to the resistance. Twist and tighten often. You may have to tighten several times before you break through the pipe. When you get close to the finish, slow down and release the pipe from the pipe cutter. Nice clean cuts. And here we have a really small piece, cut to perfection. Twist this knob to open and close the tubing cutter. If you use this tubing cutter a lot, the circular cutter may become dull. No problem, it can be easily replaced. Safe and easy to use, perfect cuts every time. I would definitely recommend getting a tubing cutter. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. Please visit our website and remember, keep on plating and creating.